Let's go on a fishing adventure,
We're going
bitches.
fishing, bitches. Let's roll.
Burgers. So here we are at the first spot. You got one?
Someone got a doggo.
Oh. Woo! Ooh.
Tomorrow. No work tomorrow.
What?
Kid.
Caters.
Work.
No, that's dad.
Come on, baby.
Hell yeah.
Come on. Oh, did you get away, you cock sucking mother? No, they're on.
Is he?
Oh yeah, he's playing. He's playing the field.
Ooh.
Come here, you dirty birdie.
Hold on. Hell yeah. Hold him up. Let me see this bad boy. Oh. Oh, it's the mustache man. It's the mustache man. Woo! What are you gonna name him?
His name's Fred.
Fred. Oh, yep. There we go. That's another one.
Gone.
Yep. Woo! Let's see what we got.
On a big one.
This ain't a big one. All right, we should almost move spots. Too many darn bullhead. Oh, look at this little baby bullhead. It's a little baby. All right. Sayonara. Oh, wrong way, buddy. Go on. Go on.
Freaking out.
I know, he's like, I don't want to go this way. There you go. Psh, bye. Oh, it's just another bullhead. Just a little guy. Dude, this guy's missing a fin.
Oh, my fish got away. Shit. He took
Oh.
my bait. I had him.
He took your worm, dude.
What up?
Shit.
What kind of fish? What up?
I said, what company you got?
Yeah, like to just haul gravel. Yeah, they probably wouldn't be bad.
There we go. There's a little halfie right there. Yo! We'll bring it over here. Let's get her fixed. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh my God. That's one. Right there. That's one. No, missed it.
Yeah, they're pretty sneaky.
Oh no.
Get it?
This is a little guy.
Daddy.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Dang it. All right, here we go. Yep. Oh, this one feels. It's probably just another bullhead. Yeah, more bullhead. Hell yeah, let's go to a new spot. They're cool looking fish, really. Well, you got a meal and a free piercing. Here, you can keep the worm too. Don't drop it. It's your worm. You earned it. Oh snap. He does have one. Oh, that bird just flew through. Yeah, he ain't happy. Another bullhead. Jeez Louise. Oh, he didn't even get the worm. Well, mission failed on his end.
You're a loser. Ouch, you cocksucker.
Oh no, he's getting wrapped. Uh-oh. Okay. What the hell? Alright, which way do we gotta push this fish? Hey!
Oh. Dirty bird.
Oh, it barely hooked, dude. You hooked him on the whisker.
You shut up.
Yeah, dude,
It
right
did?
on the
Oh,
whisker.
damn, that's crazy.
That's
That's why I
hilarious.
didn't film.
Yeah, dude. A little fishy.
He's got cool hair.
Woo! So, we're gonna call it good here. And then I guess we'll move to a new spot. Go to some deeper water. Soak some smelt. See if we can catch a big ass pike. To me, that sounds much better than some bullhead. Come on, get it. So, see if we can catch. Decided might be too windy to go somewhere else. So I'm gonna put this smelt on a circle hook. See if we can catch a big old pike. See what happens. Come on, baby, we on to the next spot. Let's get it, dude. So we're at the second spot. There's 30. What are you doing? Well, it's kind of cool down here on this little thing. If it wasn't so windy, we'd be on the kayaks.
Oh, shit.
We caught a fish!
Another boat.
Oh, bullhead! Right on, dude. Let's get that sucker out of here. Yeah, dude, this spot sucks. We can't hardly cast. So we're gonna go to another spot right across the way. Screw this spot.
Yes, come on, shorty, let's go. Girl, I see you over there in the corner of the dance floor, and I know you're acting shy, looking at the corner of your eyes. So I pick my heart up off the floor, move my feet closer to yours, catch my breath, and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything that you've been missing, shorty. So come on, dance a little dance. Got me in a trance and just one.
So we're gonna hit another spot. It's too windy. Until next time.
Looking for, shorty. Girl, I see you over there hesitating, deliberating. You keep me waiting on a sign, looking at the corner of your eyes.